Very scary, Christine, but tonight just a small number of people staying at the Hood River Middle School shelter this evening. Red Cross volunteers telling me many level 3 evacuees choosing to stay in their homes and take their chances. But with the wind picking up as quickly as it has been, volunteers tell me they are ready to welcome more evacuees overnight. Rounding the corner on I-84 East, black smoke fills the sky west of Mosier in the Columbia River Gorge. The microwave tower fire broke out around 4 o'clock Monday afternoon. Crews in the air and on the ground tackled the fast-moving fire, which had grown to about 150 acres by evening.
We've got really intense wind gusts, which is basically what's causing the drama of all of this.
Maren McGeaney owns the Wagon Social Club in downtown Mosier. She's under level 2 evacuation notice, meaning be ready. As she packed her belongings, some of Maren's friends were already gone under level 3 go now evacuation notice. It all takes her back to the Eagle Creek fire 7 years ago.
A little unnerving because it's all those kind of same feelings. It's that same color in the sky, the doom and destruction. So just making sure that we're here to protect everything and let our friends know that, we're here to help grab whatever they might need.
For those who might need a place to stay, the Red Cross opened an overnight shelter at Hood River Middle School. Mark Berry showed up after getting an alert on his phone.
It said that it was a level 3 and go now.
Berry, a former Red Cross volunteer himself, didn't think twice about where to go.
And knew what a good job the Red Cross does on its shelters. So I've decided I was going to spend the night here as opposed to in the back of my car or something like that.
By nightfall, the fire line glowed faintly in the dark, with westerly winds still whipping and crews hoping to keep the fire from spreading. Back live in Hood River tonight, Red Cross volunteers tell me they will reevaluate conditions tomorrow in addition to evacuation levels to determine how long they'll stay open here at Hood River Middle School. As for the cause of the fire, Christine, that remains under investigation.